Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you a clip of my computer in which I have done something. There is a movie called Iron Man, and in that I had seen earlier that there was a man called Tony Stark who just turns on his computer and the AI greets him like "Welcome, sir."
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, sir. Congratulations on the opening ceremonies. They were such a success, as was your Senate hearing. And may I say how refreshing.
So here is the similar thing what I built, and here we go.
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.